Hi, my kids. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learn Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will resume the rest of the alphabets. Then I will read you a story. But before I will go to our video today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our video today. Last class, we stopped here on letter. Last class, we stopped on letter V. Today, I will continue the rest of the alphabet. Last class we took capital T and small t and know the word tree. Capital U and small u for up. Capital V and small v for van. Today we took another new words and another new alphabets, which is capital W and small w, written like this. Capital W and small w, written like this. Here is window, can written like this. Okay, is window. Capital X and small x. You can't have words started by X except X for, I think X for only, but here we use we use X as a replacement. Here in this word we have fox here. Okay, have X, capital X and small x, capital W, small w, capital X and small x. Let's go to the to another letter. Capital Y is U, capital Y. Here is capital Y, capital Y and small y. Here is a mistake. Capital Y written like this. This capital Y. Okay, capital Y written like this. And this is small y. Here is we have a mistake here, misprinting. It will be capital written like this and small written like this. Here is UU written like this. Okay, the word UU. Have a new word, it's U. Capital Z and small z with capital Z and small z for zebra. Okay. Here we have capital Y and small y for you, capital Z and small z for zebra. I would like to make a quick revise on the letters that we took in the previous videos. To make a quick revise on, let's make a revise on. I started from the letter A till letter Z, okay? And when I repeat the letters, I repeat the words to keep it with me, okay? Here is capital A and small a for apple, capital B and small b for ball, capital C and small c for car, capital D and small d for dog, capital E and small e for elephant, capital fish and capital F and small f for fish, capital G and small g for girl, capital H and small h for hat, capital I and small I for ice cream, capital J and small j for jar, capital K and small k for kite, capital L and small L for line, capital M and small m for man, capital N and small n for nose, capital O and small O for orange, capital B and small b for pencil, capital Q and small q for queen, capital R and small r for rabbit, capital S and small s for star, capital T and small t for tree, capital U and small u for up, capital V and small v for van, capital W and small w for window, capital X and small x for fox, capital Y and small y for you, capital Z and small z for zebra. By this letter, we end from the alphabet. Next class, I will practice on this alphabet as exercises. Today we have a story. I would like to enjoy the story with me. Let's go to the story, our story today. The story today is about the little red hill. Let's read the story and know more about this story. Here we have, once upon a time. This is an expression used when we narrate a story. We use this expression. Once upon a time, a little red hen decided to plant some weed. Who will help me plant this? She asked. So we have animals with her. So the hen asked this animal to help her in planting the land. No, not me. The dog said, not me. The cat said not me. The dog said not me. You see, they were all quite lazy. Lazy means don't want to work. Let's go to another side. I will just have to plant. I will just have to plant it by myself, said the little hen. So the little hen depend on what? Depend on herself to plant the. So all of us can't work with her, but they eat at the end. They want to eat only without making any efforts. Okay. Before long, all the wheat was told. Who will help me cut this? Asked the little hen. So the little hen repeat the question again. Who help her? Who help her to cut the wheat? Let's go. Not me, said dog. Not me, said cat. Not me, said duck. I will just have to cut with myself. So the hen depend on what? Depend on the work on depending by herself, not without helping from the duck or the cat or the dog. I will just have to cut it by myself, said the little hen. But the little hen at the end is kind because they leave them to eat the cake that he made. Okay. Before a long time, all the wheat was cut. Who will help me grind this? Asked the little hen, the little red hen. Not me, dog, said dog. Not me, said the cat. Not me, said the duck. I will just have to grind it by myself, said the little hen. Before long, all the wheat was ground. Who will help me bake this? Bake means put it in the oven to make bread. Okay. Help me bake this into bread, asked the little red hen. Not me, said the dog. Not me, said the cat. Not me, said the duck. I will just have to bake it by myself, said the little red hen. Before long, all the bread was baked. Who will help me eat this? Asked the little red hen. Me, said the dog. Me, said the cat. Me, said the duck. So when we said who eat with me, all of us saying me, okay? All of them saying me. No, because you don't help me. So at the end, he didn't give him anything. No, because he didn't help me. I will just have to eat this bread by myself, said the little hen. And so she did with she did with jam on the top. Okay, so at the end, she refused to eat the bread with him. Okay. By this story and from our video today, I hope to enjoy and benefit from our video today. Thanks a lot until we meet again. Goodbye.